You're welcome to the Forex Trading and Lifestyle Entrepreneurship channel. Do take a minute to pause this video and read this disclaimer.
Hi there, it's Victor here from ForexMarkets.com. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the different trading sessions available in the Forex market. Okay, so in other words, we're talking about when are the Forex markets open. Alright, so basically the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, and it's open all the way from Sunday 10 p.m. Nigerian time to Friday 10 p.m. Nigerian time as well. Alright, so there are three major trading periods or trading sessions in the Forex market. We have the European session, then followed by the US session, and then followed by the Asian session. So let's look at them one after the other. Alright, so the first session is the European session. The European session is also known as the London session because the London market is the biggest market and most active market in the European session. Okay, now the London market starts at 8 a.m. Nigerian time, 8 a.m. Nigerian time, and that is 3 a.m. East Central time. Okay, so 8 a.m. Nigerian time, it runs for 9 hours and ends by that will be 5 p.m. Nigerian time, which is 12 noon East Standard Time. Okay, so 9 hours. Now, the London market happens to be the most active, or the London session happens to be the most active trading session, and it has the most volatility. So traders have the highest probability of making more profit trading the London session. Alright, so the London session is regarded by traders as the best or the number one most active trading session in the Forex market. Alright, next we have the US session, and the US session is also known as the New York session because the New York market is the major market in that zone or in that session. Okay, so the New York session starts by 1 p.m. Nigerian time, which should be 1 p.m. Nigerian time is 8 a.m. EST, right? And it runs for 8 hours and ends by 9 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay, so while the London guys are still trading, the US guys join them by 1 p.m. Nigerian time, which is around 1 p.m. Nigerian time. Yes, so the London guys have already traded about, let's say, 5 hours before the US guys join them in the market. Okay, and so the US session is considered the second most active session in the market, right? And traders consider the overlap period between the London session and the New York session the best part of this session to trade. And generally, the overlap session between the London market and the New York market happens between that will be between, let's look at here, that will be between 1 p.m. Nigerian time, 1 p.m. Nigerian time to 5 p.m. Nigerian time. So those 4 hours are the most active session of the New York market. Okay, and it's generally considered to be the most active period of the whole market. Okay, so let's not confuse it. The London market is considered to be the most active session. Okay, but the London New York overlap, those 4 hours from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. are considered the most active hours. Alright, and so that's the second trading session, and then we have the third trading session, which is the Asian session. And the Asian session is also known as the Tokyo session because the Tokyo session is the biggest market within that time zone. Alright, so the Tokyo session starts by 12 a.m. Nigerian time and runs for 9 hours, okay, and so it ends by 9 a.m. in the morning Nigerian time. So the Tokyo session is the slowest market to trade, the most frustrating market to trade, and it's almost like you watching paint dry. Trades do not move at all. So most traders usually like to avoid this session. As a matter of fact, some guys in Tokyo and some guys in the US, okay, will rather wake up at night, their own night time, to trade the London session. Okay, so you can see here that when it's morning in London, it is still night in the US. It is still midnight in the US, and then when it's morning in London, it is also still around evening in Asia. Okay, so the forex market opens or moves around the whole world. Okay, so some are trading when it's morning in London, it's afternoon or evening in other zones, and so the market moves around 24 hours a day. Okay, so you do not have to trade 24 hours a day. All you need to do is pick the session that is most convenient for you, pick the hours that's most convenient for you, and you can trade, start and stop whenever you like. Okay, so in summary, I'll just summarize that again. London session starts by 8 a.m. Nigerian time, ends by 5 p.m. Nigerian time. The New York session starts by 1 p.m. Nigerian time and ends by 8 hours later, 9 p.m. Nigerian time, while the Tokyo session starts by 12 a.m. and ends by 9 a.m. Nigerian time in the morning. Okay, so that is how the forex market operates, and that is how it runs 24 hours a day, from Monday or from Sunday night 10 p.m. to Friday night 10 p.m. as well. Alright, so I hope you've learned something new in the video. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something new, and also click the subscribe button below this video, and also click the bell beside the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video. Cheers and thanks for watching.